What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. We're going out on a early morning short ride in Bangalore. It's been a while since I did this. Let's go. And I'm solo today. I'm not riding with anybody. I'm just going to a small spot that I recently found out. So let's go. It's been a while since I did a short ride like this in Bangalore. This is gonna be nostalgic because this is how I started my channel, and I used to upload videos going around Bangalore, you know, the viewpoints and everything, and I just wanna do the same, you know, but only this time I'm alone and there's no one with me. Back then there used to be someone with me, Manoj or someone. It's alone time right now. Let's go. The place that I'm going to is in not Kanakpura. Kanakpura is quite far away, but towards Kanakpura. Let's just go have quick fun and come back. But maybe I have a plan to go to my breakfast spot, which I used to go earlier. I mean, I used to ride 80 kilometers for just breakfast. The only thing I'm worried about is the rain, and I don't want it to spoil my plans. That's all. I've been wanting to go on a ride like this for past 2 weeks and it wasn't possible. The day that I chose and I can ride looks like this. Wow. I love these wet roads, this kind of vibe, you know, moody vibe. Love it. You know, the Kanakpura roads right now are mad, except for this bit, you know. After this bit you have like crazy roads, and I think I said that in another video as well, but like I remember riding every weekend back like 2 years ago. That's mad. 3 years ago, yeah. Every weekend we used to go on a ride, and not all of them was, you know, kind of vlogged, but yeah, you get the idea. The road from here is like pretty good. I mean, only up till one point, and after that you have bad roads again. Oh, that's crazy. The one thing that I want to say is that to not screw me over in the comment section asking where the hell is Nora. Nora is all good, fine. I'm just working on a small project on her. It's not started yet, but yeah, I'm just thinking, you know, it's gonna change Nora entirely. Not entirely. I mean, that's like the main plan, but I can do something right now. But I want to change in Nora. I'm very used to how she looks right now, and I think I want some change in the visual appearance of Nora. I think I'm gonna go forward with whatever that I'm planning. Yeah, 450s are fun, man. I've been having very much fun on the 450, and this 450 especially from out of motorcycles is crazy. One of the best, not one of the best, the best 450 that I've ridden. And the interesting bit is that I don't see any bikers today. I think it's probably because it's raining and they're like, no way I'm riding, bro. No. I mean, I've said that many times, but yeah. Me and Manoj used to have similar conversation like this when we used to ride. It used to rain few mornings that we decided to ride, and in the morning 5:30 I'm calling him and he's like, what to do now? I'm like, I don't know. There's been moments where we waited for the rain to go down for 1 hour and it still didn't go down, and then we're like, okay, let's just sleep. So we slept. Fuel into the bike. There's no fuel. This is just mad beautiful, you know. I love the roads and the atmosphere when it's like this. Oh, hey buddy. let's start. Alright, we are off the main road. We're going to this small village. So if you guys remember, we have shot a reel over here, my recent Gulf reel, and one of the shots was from there and me riding through this road, and that was an amazing shot. It's brilliant, this place actually. Where do I go? Do I go like that? No, that's not the route that I'm supposed to take. I can't go through that. I mean, I think I can go through that, but it's a temple. I don't want to piss off the people around here. I'll just go this way. Avoiding conflicts is one of the best things that I've been doing these days. This is why the hassle, you know. I've been very careful with things like this, especially since I've been riding solo mostly right now. I've been going solo rides all the time, so I don't want to have any issues like that. Oh yeah, this is nice. It's the quarry. I don't want to go down there. Oh, there's another truck going up here. Oh, alright. But look at this place, man. This is like really nice, this place. Like, it's amazing. There's a viewpoint up there towards the quarry. It's not really the greatest, I would say, but you know, it is something. This is it, boys. This is it. Oh, look at that. I mean, I know it's not a lot. It's just a random view from here. But yeah, it's pretty nice around here. Love it. It's so good. I think in a couple of years they're gonna completely vanish these mountains out of here, I believe. I don't know what's down there, but I'm sure there's nothing around there. I did go a bit of a distance the other day and I didn't see anything. It was that's just going down, and I think this is the highest point. You can't go up there as well because they have put a red flag around there, so I'm not risking that as well. But yeah, this is a spot that I recently found out, and it's pretty nice. These dogs. I was okay when the dog came barking because I have boots and riding pants. Even if it bites, probably the teeth is gonna go out. Not mine, his. Why did I say mine? Never mind. Look at this tree. Now this is gonna be a good one. definitely one of the views from here. Lovely, man. Love it. Alright, I'll see you guys once I exit out of here, go back to the main road, decide what to do, because yeah, now I've come to the main road. Now my plan is to go at least 40 to 50 kilometers ahead to the breakfast spot that we used to go. I don't know if you guys remember, but my OG guys would know that we used to go there and wait for biryani. You know, it used to be not ready. The restaurant owner used to ask us to wait for 30 minutes, and then we used to wait for 30 minutes, have the biryani, and then come back. So I'm just gonna go over to that restaurant. Now this is a bag that I recently got, and it's from Acerbis, or we can call it Acebis, but the actual pronunciation is Acerbis. It's been very nice, you know. I've been carrying all my camera gear in this, like a lot of things like that, and you can put in a hydration pack, and it's been pretty nice, this one. Love it. And I believe it's decent for what it is, so I'm happy with this. Check this out. You can go over to risemoto.com and you'll find the product in there. I'll put a link in the description as well. It's got like this buckle as well, 2 buckles, so neat. This is a feeling, man. This is unreal, man. Nothing can come close to what you feel right now. I'm actually riding in proper rain. This turned out to be very different than I thought, but it's okay. I'm down for the fun. Oh my god, look at that! I really want a biryani now. I'm not even joking. I'm gonna be seriously pissed off if there's no biryani there. I'm telling you, this bike is a mile muncher. You won't feel how you're covering distance. That's crazy. And that's also, for me personally, that's also because there's an exhaust, so I have more fun than riding a stock bike. I don't know how I did 25 kilometers just like that. Oh, something tells me that I'm not gonna get biryani, and I'm already disappointed. Alright, the moment of truth. This is closed. No. No. I'm disappointed. Alright, I think it's a go back time. No biryani for me. Disappointed. But I had a very good ride though, my god. I reached here in like no time. Like, I'm not even kidding, like absolutely no time. Alright, I'm back to the nice road. I ended up not having anything because 1, there weren't many restaurants available. 2, I enjoyed riding this bike and I lost. I just, you know, I kept my pace and then I reached. Now the time is 9:20. I left my home at 6:20. That's 7:20, 8:29, at 3 hours. And I've completed about 160 kilometers. I mean, about to complete 160. So I think right now I'm around 150 or something. Mad on this bike, especially this bike, man. It's crazy. The handlebar on this bike is making it so much more comfortable, and you have a relaxed position, like. And I know that because I rode the stock bike in Ladakh, and I've ridden other stock bikes as well, and they don't offer such comfort. So that just tells a lot about making your bike suitable to you by modifying it. And that's just crazy. If you're a Himalayan 450 owner, I insist on buying this for your bike. So I think that's it for the video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.